At Canadel, we produce and customize 1,200 chairs and stools a day. A good chair will last for years. The quality of assembly is critical. Each chair is carefully assembled and tested for durability. In the laboratory, a rocking motion is simulated for several hours to verify the chair's assembly strength and durability. A chair falling on the floor, or being kicked, is also simulated using the hammer test. We repeat the operation several times and check for joint damage, cracks or breaks. Heavy pressure is applied to the seat while pulling on the backrest to ensure the strength of the assembly. Each of our chairs and stools can support up to 450 pounds. The finish of a chair is also an important factor. All Canadel products are finished with a catalyzed lacquer for ease of care. Meticulous teams, high-quality components and upholstery foam, and a cutting-edge technological process. Canadel, quality time after time since 1982.